Every summer, homes and markets across the country welcome India's most adored fruit, mango. Often dubbed as the king of fruits, the fruit has ruled over the Indian palate for over 4,000 years, from the valleys of the Sindhu to the modern Republic of India. Named India's national fruit in the year 1950, the country accounts for nearly 44% of mango's global production today. If mango is the king of fruits, then Malihabad is definitely its royal capital. Laced with the aroma of, in Amir Khusro's words, the fairest fruit of Hindustan, Malihabad is one of the biggest mango producing hubs of India. The first recorded plantation of mangoes in the town was done by Afghan Pathan generals of Hyder Shah, first Nawab of Awadh, around 200 years ago. While the town today grows around 700 varieties of mangoes, the most sought after is of course the Dashehri, called the king of mangoes.
नॉन वैरायटीज है वो 700-800 वैरायटीज तो है 700-800 वैरायटीज नॉन है।
अच्छा,
लेकिन वो पहले के टाइम में लोग शौकीन ज़्यादा थे तो उन वैरायटीज़ को मेंटेन करते थे।
अच्छा,
अब ज़्यादातर लोगों ने अपने बगीचों से वैरायटीज़ को हटा दिया है। यूपी में आपके दशहरी है, लंगड़ा है, चौसा है, लखनऊ सफ़ेदा है, अमरपाली है। इसके अलावा बहुत सारी ऐसी अच्छी वैरायटीज हैं जो टेस्ट में दशहरी से अच्छी है, लेकिन पब्लिक उनके बारे में जानती नहीं है।
अच्छा,
उनको वो टेस्ट उनका डेवलप नहीं हुआ। जैसे खासुल खास है,
अच्छा,
गुलाब खास है, नाबी गोला है, उसनारा है।
The story of the Dashehri mango begins in the gardens of the Nawab of Awadh in the 18th century. Since then, farmers across the country have been dedicated to cultivating this exquisite variety of the mango. The heart of this legacy lies in the village of Dashehri, perched between Malihabad and Lucknow in Uttar Pradesh. Here, the original mother plant, believed to be nearly 200 years old, still thrives. This tree grew in the grove of Muhammad Ansar Zaidi and bears fruit once every 2 years. His descendants have taken on this responsibility of maintaining this revered tree, known locally as the Mother Dashehri.
Yeah, I'm Samir Zaidi, and we are the proud owner of this Mother Dashehri tree, which is located in village Dashehri, the district Lucknow, and it is the first tree from which the Dashehri, the variety of Dashehri mangoes started, and it is somewhere around 200 years old tree which is still fruiting, though the fruit is not in very significant amount every year. Like this year there are so few fruits, but still by the grace of God it is still fruiting, and the tree is still with us.
With varieties like Dashehri, Chausa, Langda and Safeda, Malihabad along with Uttar Pradesh accounted for nearly 23.5% of mango production in the country. Padma Shri Haji Kalimullah Khan, also known as the Mango Man of India, hailed from Malihabad and is credited with the popularization of Malihabad's mango industry with his feat of growing 300 mangoes on a single tree.
America is also buying it from this year.
okay,
The Middle East has been buying mangoes for the last 10 or 15 years.
okay. And Europe also, Germany,
Yeah, German
has been exported to Germany.
been exported to Germany and UK,
Okay,
and there are a few more countries like Malaysia
okay.
and our neighboring countries.
While the mango farmers of Uttar Pradesh had to bear a loss in the cultivation for the past year, the intense heat wave this year has helped them push the mango yield up. Malihabad isn't just a mango hub, it's a living legacy. From ancient trees to innovative farmers, this town embodies India's mango story. Despite challenges, Malihabad's dedication ensures its mangoes will continue to delight palates across the world. So the next time you bite into a Dashehri or any other mango, remember, you're savoring a historic fruit, the love for whom spans millennia and transcends borders.